In this video, I'm going to clean this Michael Kors Jet Set Saffiano leather tote bag. The handbag isn't too dirty, it just has a little bit of grime on the side panels and at the end of the carry handles. There's also two small ink stains which look like pen marks on the front panel of the bag, so we're going to see if we can get those out as well. The guys at Rebel.ie, a new Irish distribution company, have very kindly sent me a handbag spa cleaning kit to try out on a leather handbag. So I'm going to do just that and see how I get on cleaning this Michael Kors bag. The first thing I'm going to do is wipe over the outside of the handbag with some kitchen towel to remove any excess dirt. And I'm then going to spray the Sensitive Cleanse leather cleaner on the outside of the bag. I'm giving it a good amount of cleaner just to let it really get into the Saffiano leather and do its job. And I'm then gently going to brush the cleaner into the leather without putting any pressure on it at all. I just want to massage the cleaning agent into the leather of the bag. I'm then using a clean microfiber towel to wipe off the excess cleaning product and dirt from the bag. I was a little bit shocked with just how much dirt came off after the first pass, but there you go, we've got a really dirty microfiber, so that means the product is working well. I switched over to the Everyday 3-in-1 product to see if that would do as good a job as the Sensitive Cleanse, and it absolutely does. The Everyday 3-in-1 even removes the water-based ink stain on the front panel. The only stain I was left with was a little biro mark. I wouldn't expect a leather cleaner to deal with biro, because if a leather cleaner could deal with biro, it would damage the leather. So I got some rubbing alcohol and just gently swabbed across the biro. It removed about half of it, as you can see. However, the Everyday 3-in-1 cleanser did a really good job of cutting through the water-based ink on the other side of the panel. Not only that, the Everyday 3-in-1 has given the entire bag a subtle sateen finish. It's actually enriched the leather and it looks not quite glossy, but nicely enriched and clean. Both products are great cleaners, but I particularly like the Everyday 3-in-1 because it cleans, hydrates and protects in one step. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up on the way out. If you really liked the video and you want to see more, you're going to want to hit the subscribe button. Carl here from Cleaning How To. Thanks for watching.